Yo, what up everybody? I'm back with another video, rap battle. Today I got Young Pistol, Face, Tweezy T. You know what to do. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. This shit is fire.
Okay, today's battle is Tweezy, then Young Pistol, right?
Yo,
Pistol, go first. We gonna go first. Okay,
shut up, man. Alright, listen, look. Tweezy T is a household name. A known fact that ain't get you far. Young Pistol, that's something a lot of ugly bitches are. Shoot at you with bullets, I'ma flip your car, rip a jaw, pull your fucking face with a fucking jujitsu claw. I'ma play cool, guess you got the pitch and roll.
What?
King.
Call yourself Lil Tweezy. I wonder how's that when your dick's a Lil Weezy. You hear like every other rapper. You're just my son. I wonder how's that when you're older than me but you still look up to me.
Nigga, you so black, I bet when you close your eyes you disappear. I'ma play cool, guess you got the pigeon roll. A tall troll, he's softer than a tissue roll. You so soft, so fragile, so delicate. Hey, uppercut, I guarantee his two nostrils are separate. I said it straight, every time I levitate, I drop kick you in your chest while you meditate. Just like Muhammad Ali against the featherweight. You tall issue, you taller than a wedding cake. I show up at your door, knock as hard as I can. But as soon as his little brother answers, that's the palm of my hand. I shoot till it's empty, my dick doesn't jam. Oh, but
Nigga, you mentioning your dick, where's your virgin? You so pussy, you look like a used pet. Listening to the sound of your voice, you sound like you've been swallowing sperm. You a rapper. I wonder how's that. All I see in front of me is just a well-known rap.
I'm well known, it's a good thing.
It's surprising how I never heard any of your tracks. They're probably because they ain't make it to the billboard.
Your breath smell like shit mixed with clam powder. That ain't no damn sour. Fuck bubblegum, you need to put your fucking tongue in a damn shower. That's why niggas hoping you lose. Cause you are the worst mistake that came out of your mother's fallopian tubes.
Nigga, you telling me about fallopian tubes whereas you looking like you survived an abortion pill. You acting all hyped up whereas cheap you ain't even got a chain on. How you a rapper when your work ass level is so down low, it's so flat like that's you.
The way you call this nigga, it's like you are calling a king. You remind me of your ex Shelby when you proposed with that fake ring. you fucking little pussy. Your face is vaginal. Your mouth looks like a vagina and in the sand it has a hole. If I walk in your crib and turn on the porn, that's your mom's channel. You can walk in my room, fuck with my sneakers, but not with your mom's channels.
You hear mentioning my bitch. Well, that was my side chick. That's why your breath always smelling like my dick. You here catching feelings while I'm trying to keep it low. Your whole career is such a joke. I finished it before it even started.
This nigga raps like you wanna cry. You so black, you look like a freaking black dye. I can tell by his actions, you really love fighting. You so black, you got struck by lightning.
Nigga, your accent ain't even fluent. You should be Chinese. You out here with a dick the size of noodles.
Shit, man!
Yeah. They mention it's long. How is it long but still skinny? You hear mentioning the color black. It's evident that you've never seen a black card. You out here with all drip. You out here dressed like some maniac we don't even heard of.
It's bad.
My shoes are dry. All I need now is your face to clean them up. Cause you black.
Nigga, I wonder how this is. You've been in the rap game for way too long, but I still got you on your knees. Shit! Bro, you so... All I see on you is a clip. You so pussy right now, all you look like is a used pen.
Yo, I'm designer, I'm singing Timmy 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 Tana. Where did you get this? From your mama?